welcome to the My Car Heaven product review of the CHIPEX Factory Finish Miracle Detailer. And the Uber Super Concentrate Car Shampoo. Today I will be washing my car, and I've given it so far just a quick rinse with the hose, and we'll now crack on with the shampoo and see how we get on. So the car has now been shampooed with the Factory Finish Uber Super Concentrate Car Shampoo from CHIPEX. It was very easy to clean, not too dissimilar from most other products I've ever used, but it worked quite well. It seemed to take a lot of the dirt off, but we obviously will move straight on to the wax in a second. First of all, just hose down the car and let the wax begin. It's now the turn of the CHIPEX Miracle Detailer Factory Finish. I've now almost dried the car, given it a quick wipe, getting rid of any residue, all ready for a nice high gloss finish, hopefully. So let's go with that. So just a few sprays. And then it says to spray, wipe and wait in a circular motion. I can already see that is coming through very, very nicely. Very nice. Nice and easy application. So the bonnet was quite, well, a little bit damp upon application, but the wax absolutely, so there's no problem with that. Very happy with that. So already showing very good results, and we'll wait and see for the high gloss finish at the end. So I'm just going to finish, well, the rest of the car. It might take a few minutes at least, and I'll show the car at the end. So I've just finished with the CHIPEX Miracle Detailer, and I've given the car a nice wax and polish. It was really easy to apply, and I have to be honest, the product has given some fantastic results straight away. The product does say to wax, wipe and wait. But if it's looking like this without having to wait, then I'm certainly keen on the product, and I'd certainly recommend it. It was really easy to apply, as I said, and has worked wonders instantly. I mean, that does what it says on the tin. It provides great protection and a high gloss finish almost immediately. And has produced great results. So thumbs up from My Car Heaven.